one item so far. So, let's see if I can rip this one open. Right here. Without messing it up. Let's see. They're packaged tight. This thing is sticky. Yeah, I think I might cut it. Safe cut. Try it. There we go. Let's see what's inside this one. Oh yeah. Patrick Mahomes. Look at that card, though. That is nice. Real nice. Beautiful card. Yep. All right, let's go ahead and put that back in this package. So I know it belongs to this person. I mean, came from this person. That's what I say. All right. It looks like a smaller one. Let's see what's in this one. See, this is what they should do. Put tape on it. Because sometimes you can open these easy. Let's see what we got here. We got some rookies right here. We got some rookies. Oh, yeah. And Anthony Edwards, boy, he's a beast. I think he could be the next LeBron James. Jordan status, for sure. If y'all think different, let me know. But leave it in the comments. But I think for sure he's the one. They just got beat by Thunder, but that's because Thunder, man, they just had a hell of a year. Look at this one. This one's nice too. Rookie card. Yeah, man. Yeah, let's take that off of there. Let's take that off of this there. But yeah, this is for sure the next person to I think he gonna be another LeBron James, man. He's a beast. He's young, active. He good. Which card do you like better? This one or this one? All right, that's it for this one. So let's put this back. Oh, one more. There is one more for this package. Put that in there like that. There is one more in it from this package, and that's this. Ooh, what y'all know? What y'all think about this one? That Block Purdy, rookie. He's a beast. I don't know, man. They might win the championship. They're definitely gonna win that trophy, man. Get those Super Bowl rings. You hear me? That Block Purdy, rookie. That's a beautiful card right there. All right, that's it for this package. Let's go ahead and slap that back up in here. Oh, hold on. Get one of these slabs. This one, huh? bag because it don't have that little plastic like this one does. Got that plastic over it. So yeah, we're complete with that one. Let's open the big one, the big boy. See how that easy, they got the thing over the label. That's good they did that though, because then you can see if it's been tampered with or whatever. And it hasn't, so that's a good thing. Nobody mess with it. If you send something in one of these packages like this, man, make sure you put the label over the part that sticks. We're gonna do one at a time. As a matter of fact, we're just gonna pull out the whole break. Let's see. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like this. Ooh. That auto. That's nice. Yeah. What y'all think about this player right here? Got a little dark in here, huh? Got a little dark in here for some reason. Yeah, let's light it up a little bit. Yeah, let's see what this car look like. Yeah, that's nice, man. It's really nice. Then we got this one right here. That Cherry West. This one numbered? Yep, this one's numbered too. $299. They only made $299 of these. $299. Beautiful card. This one's numbered too, though. This one's numbered. Only 99. They only made 99 of these. That's nice. You know who this is? That Patrick Ewing. Legend. That one's 9. They only made 99 of these too. Patrick Ewing. Standing over New York, huh? That's nice. What we got here? Ooh, look at that. Allen Iverson, boy. Iverson, boy, he's a beast. This one is 99. They only made 99 of these too. That boy's a legend too. And Tim Duncan, another legend. Is this one numbered? Yep, it's numbered. 99. They only made 99 of these. This is Dwayne Wade's son. Might be a person to be looking out for. See if how good he is. It's auto signed. Only made 100 of these. It's a nice one right here. This one's nice too. They only made 99 of these too. That's nice. Oh shit. That boy's a beast right there. You see how that card sparkles like that? That's tight. Is this one numbered? Nope, this one ain't numbered. I don't see it. If it is, let me see. Nope, this one ain't numbered, but this one is tight right here. Alright, that's it for that little stack. Let's see what else we got up in here. Ooh, you know who this is? Another beast. Kevin Garnett. Is this one numbered? Nope. Beautiful card though. Oh, it's tight. Is it numbered? No, it ain't numbered. But I like the shape of it. You see how it's cut right here? Cut. I think they call this die cut or whatever you call it. I don't know. Oh shit. You know how this. Is those numbered? Nope, it's not numbered, but it's definitely a nice card though. That's a nice card. Is it numbered? Nope. It's not numbered, but it's a nice card though. Kevin Garnett. Ooh, look at that. That Kevin Garnett, boy. It's not numbered either. I like it. Ooh, look at that one. Like the basketball hoop. That is fat with the net down here. The rim right there. Shaped like just like a basketball hoop. The net. This one numbered. You would think this one's numbered, but it's not. That is a badass card right there, though. This is a rookie card of this dude right here, I bet. Not for sure. I'm pretty sure y'all let me know if it is or not. But look, what we got here? I don't like when they put the sticker right on the front, like. I'm gonna switch the card around. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's do this real quick. Well, first let me show it back. Is it numbered? No, this one ain't numbered. But it is signed. Oh no, it should be numbered if it's signed. So if it's an auto, usually when it's an auto, it's signed. I mean, it's numbered. Oh well. This is a thin ass protector. Alright. That is bad right there. It's prison. But it's not numbered. I don't see a number nowhere. Alright. Y'all let me know if he's good or not. That one's tight too. I like this one. It's not numbered though. But I like it. No. Is it numbered? No. I like this card though. Unleashed. The beast. You see the beast around it and the beast in the background. Y'all let me know if he's good or not. If this is his rookie card. Let's see. What y'all know about this guy right here? Is he any good? This one's definitely numbered. I wonder if this one's numbered. It's not. This one's they made 249 of these. 249. Y'all let me know if he's any good. Let me know if this is his rookie card. And then we got this boy right here. Another auto. This one is numbered. 149 of these. This boy right here. Y'all let me know if he's good. He's from the Houston Rockets. Signed. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe if you ain't subscribed. It's free. Show some love, man. Hit that like button. And I'll definitely post more. Alright, y'all. Peace.